Hello, colleagues. Today, let's discuss a crucial topic: infrastructure as code. This concept is fundamental to DevOps and tools like Terraform, revolutionizing how we manage IT infrastructure. Before we proceed, if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps grow our community and signals to YouTube that this channel provides valuable information. I appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. Traditionally, system administrators manually configured and managed infrastructure, a time-consuming and error-prone process. This often led to configuration drift when environments become inconsistent over time, causing unexpected issues. Infrastructure as code introduces standardization, repeatability, and automation to infrastructure management by defining the desired state of your infrastructure in code-like formats. Tools like Terraform can apply these configurations consistently. This code can be version controlled, allowing you to track changes, roll back if necessary, and reuse code for similar environments. For example, imagine you are running a web application with a load balancer, 3 servers, and a database. Without infrastructure code, you'd manually create these resources, install software, and configure settings. With infrastructure as code, you write a configuration file describing these resources, and the tool creates them as specified. If changes are needed, you edit the configuration and apply it again. The tool adjusts the existing infrastructure to match the new desired state. Here is a simple Terraform example. This code defines an AWS EC2 instance with a specific Amazon machine image and instance type, assigning it the name example. Running this through Terraform creates the instance with this exact specification on AWS. Infrastructure as code offers many benefits, including faster deployments, reduced risk, cost efficiency, and seamless integration with continuous integration and delivery pipelines. Understanding and correctly implementing infrastructure as code is key to successful use of tools like Terraform and achieving scalable, manageable infrastructure. This knowledge forms a foundation in the DevOps world, and with practice, it becomes very intuitive. I hope this video provides clarity and assists you in making informed decisions on this topic. Good luck and see you next time.